Today we're visiting the cleanest and most hygienic bakery in India. The chef begins by cracking eggs without wearing gloves and tossing them straight into the mixer. No separating yolks or whites here. Everything goes in. Shells, faith, and maybe a bit of dust. He adds sugar and flour, then the mixer spins like it's possessed by a culinary demon, a true tornado of flavor. Then comes the star moment. The chef pours the batter into a mold lined with a piece of newspaper because clearly nothing enhances taste like a headline from 2004. The mixture goes into the oven, and when it starts to smell like something's happening, out comes the cake, warm, fluffy, and slightly mysterious. Now for the artistic part, decoration. The cream is spread with what looks like a trowel borrowed from a construction site. Finally, a shower of sugar and coloring rains down. And there it is, the perfect birthday cake from the cleanest bakery in India. And if you survive eating it, happy birthday!